What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I'm doing another requested video, an audio test video on how good the Pixel 6 stacks up to one of my best phones, in my opinion, when it comes out to audio. I have the Oneplus 9 Pro, which has great audio. So the Pixel 6 has stereo speakers, one at the top and one at the bottom. Let's put these two head to head to see which one is King Supreme. So I have both of the devices volume turned all the way up. I'm going to play some non-copyright music and let y'all guys listen to it, and I'm gonna come back and give you guys my commentary. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So I hope you enjoyed the sound that was coming out of both of these devices. Here's my thoughts. The Oneplus 9 Pro sound is great. It's a full sounding device with good bass, good highs, good mids. It overall sounds the best out of the two. The Pixel 6 has great sound. It also has a good full sound with great bass, great highs, great mids. The only reason why I would give the edge to the Oneplus 9 Pro is because of the loudness, and not only that, but it does have some customization with Dolby Atmos that brings in some good customization that you may like. So in this audio comparison, I would give the slight edge to the Oneplus 9 Pro. Even though the Pixel 6 sounded good in this comparison, the full body sound plus a lot of audio customization goes straight to the Oneplus 9 Pro. As you know, Pixel devices, Google stock Android devices doesn't have any kind of customization when it comes down to the audio. But I tell you, the Pixel 6 audio is really good, but hands down, the Oneplus 9 Pro is the clear winner. This is the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Pixel 6 versus the Oneplus 9 Pro audio comparison. And once again, this was a requested video. See you guys on the next video. Peace.